Gym, work, traffic, home, on repeat. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. This is what I got. Here is so fresh, so cool. So guys, your girl is burnt out between my everyday routine, early morning gym, work responsibilities, my meal prep, life in between. Your girl is tired. So this week I'm really trying to just slow down and relax my routine a little bit. Come spend a few days in my life to see how that all unfolds. Morning guys, it's currently 5:58 in the morning. It is Thursday morning and I'm here at the park, Emancipation Park, because I'm going to do about at least 5 to 7 laps. I start my cardio here and then I make my way to the gym. So I'm here, I just pulled up. I'm at the entrance. I didn't know you could actually park here. Let me show you where I'm at. Okay, so I'm here. The main parking is actually around the back where NHT is, but there was some parking here at the front, so I just copped one, which is easier for me to just jump back in when I'm ready and be on my way. Guys, just in case you don't know, there is actually a jogging trail here, and that's what I'm gonna jump in at. The air is so fresh, it's so cool. If you're really looking for somewhere to jog, especially in the morning, come to the park. If you're in Jamaica, it's really nice. Guys, look at this little boy out jogging. If he can do it, you can do it too. Yeah. Alright guys, I had to wrap that up because the sun is coming out, and I'm gonna head to the gym right now to complete the rest of my workout, which is my strength training. I believe I'm doing shoulders and chest today. I think I'm gonna go live, so you can look out for that live. And yeah, so let's go. The sun is out. Okay, so I ended up doing, I believe I did 7 laps around the jogging trail. It was pretty good. I don't come here often, and I think I'm gonna get back on it because, you know, the fresh air, I mean, it's Kingston, but it's not so fresh, but you know, here is good. You know, one of my previous gym that I used to go to, a part of it was inside, and a part with, and they also had a deck, so you don't have to constantly be in the gym working out in an enclosed area. Part of it was outside, so you know, I always enjoyed that aspect of it because you can get in some fresh air and you don't have to be in the AC right through when you work out. So sometimes I like to come to the park and do some cardio.
Fringes on, stepping out the house like a daughter of Zion. Covered up, but the glow on me loud, ain't no denying. Not vain, but I walk with a holy alignment. Beauty and obedience, no world can define it. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my.
Some days I can parallel park, some days I can't. But I know I can.
Tonight, set apart, living life. I don't chase the world's spotlight. Friends is on who you like. Good, but still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Walking in the truth with.
Alright, so I'll see you guys in the gym. Hi guys, you know, I just finished my workout. My intention was to take you guys along with my workout, but I ended up going live and I didn't get to vlog my workout session. But I'm going to be posting my workout on my channel because I did go live, so you guys can take a look at that. I'm actually feeling really low in energy right now. It's Thursday, it's market day, and I want to go to the market because I wanted some broccoli and some cauliflower and probably some lettuce. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna go. I'm feeling really low on energy, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna head to work, and then I'll see how it goes I'll see how it goes as the day goes along. Maybe I'll go, well, it's actually the best time to go to the market now since it's early. If I go, I'll just show you what I got and let you know what the prices are. Okay, all right, let's look what I got. Guinea is back in season. Me and Guinea got together real good, and these ones are actually sweet because I bought some the other day and them it's so bad. They were so real sour. Some little kids were in the traffic and they were selling it, and I bought it. But them one here well sweet. I love when Guinea season in. $200 for this. I got this for $200.
I gotta find peace of mind. I know now
On the agenda for today, I'm gonna be doing some golf. I'm gonna be going to the supermarket and getting that yogurt. I think I need some other little stuff. I think I need to top up on eggs as well. I need to get some chicken for my meal prep. And whatever, anything that happens in between, guys, I'll just take you guys along with me, okay? Morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. It's 9:25 in the morning. I'm just about to make some tea. I'm making some tea. I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna have for breakfast this morning. I'll have my matcha and green tea bags this morning. Alright, so on the agenda for today, well, actually I don't really have much cleaning to do today. It's just my bedroom, but I'm just changing my sheets, vacuuming my rugs, and just some light cleaning. Guys, so scrap that. I didn't bother with the matcha. I made some oatmeal and sweetened it with peanut butter, and I had some chia flax to the mix to it. This one. I had some chia flax to it. I had the oatmeal, then I had the chia flax, and then I'm gonna put some berries in it. This is the berry that I'm gonna use. It's triple berry, and I used some coconut milk. I had some in the freezer, so I really just took some coconut milk from the freezer and just used that as the liquid base. These are the berries here. You know, I really don't like raspberry. I really don't care for raspberry or blackberry. I'd rather blueberry. I don't know if it's me one, but I don't want. Like you won't really catch me buying that triple berry. I think when I went to Price Mart, blueberry pack was probably finished because I don't buy triple berry on purpose. If blueberry is not there, I would have rather buy the strawberry than buy a triple berry. I don't like raspberry. I don't like blackberry. I don't like the taste of it. And I also boiled 2 eggs. Yeah, so guys, as I was saying, I was feeling really burnt out this week. And yeah, guys, as I was saying, this week I really intend to vlog a few more days out of the week, but I was so burnt out. I was just on survival mode. Gym, work, traffic, home, on repeat. And Kingston traffic is really bad these days. You would think that because school is on holiday, you know, traffic could, you know, be a little bit more easier, but nope. I think a lot of persons have also bought motor vehicles. Why the traffic is like that? Because in the summer, usually, you know, you will get a little break from the traffic, but no, not these days. But anyways, guys, in terms of my burnout, I usually take vacations 2 times for the year. I would take vacation in the summer and also in the Christmas. Why? Because that's when school is generally on holiday. And for me, I rather take vacation when school is on holiday, because I can't imagine going to do school drop off and school pick up while I'm on vacation. I want to be on my own time. If I don't want to go on the road, I don't want to be forced to go on the road. So I generally just take my vacation during that time. So maybe the reason why I'm burnt out right now is because I know that that time for me to take my vacation is coming up. So yeah. And if you're a mom like me and you know you do your regular school routine in between your regular routine. Let me know when you take your vacation. Do you take your vacation when the kids are on break, or it doesn't matter because maybe you live in close proximities to school, etc., and it's really not a hassle? So let me know in the comment section when you take your vacation. Also, yesterday I didn't go to work yesterday, guys. I woke up and I didn't really feel like it, and I tapped in my free will for a little bit, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna use one of my leave days and just stay home, chill. I did 3 of my 4 workout for the week, and that's okay. That's okay, because the aim is really for me personally to do 3 to 4 workouts for the week, right? So that's okay. Yeah, I was home yesterday. Nothing much really, just slow on the couch. I watched an entire series in a day, so you can imagine what kind of day I had yesterday. I didn't, you know, when I tell you that I'm feeling burnt out, especially from the gym, I am completely burnt out. So for today now, on the agenda for today, I don't really feel like staying home all day. I want to get some yogurt. I'm gonna try and make some homemade yogurt. So I'm gonna try and get a little parcel for us girls who are lactose intolerant. It's so hard to get yogurt, dairy-free yogurt, the plain one that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it. Most of them are flavored. So I'm gonna try Fresh Approach and Constant Spring Roll. I'm gonna also try Le Soujon and Barbican, see if I can get a dairy-free plain yogurt with as little sugar as possible, because I'm gonna try to make some homemade yogurt. This is gonna be my first time, by the way, so I'm gonna try and do that. So I'm just gonna get a little sachet so I can add to it to get some of the the beneficial bacteria in my mixture. So I'm gonna try and do that. Also, before I do that, I think I'm gonna play some golf today. Golf is something that I allow my son to play on weekends where I can accommodate it. Sometimes I will play with him, sometimes I just let him do anything. But for me, golf is one of those calming activities, and I'm really in the mood for an activity like that. So I'll call the guy who normally, you know, give us lessons, and he can fit me in for today. So I'm gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna be doing some golf. I'm gonna be going to the supermarket and getting that yogurt. I think I need some other little stuff. I think I need to top up on eggs as well. I need to get some chicken for my meal prep, and anything that happens in between, guys, I'll just take you guys along with me, okay? So I'm just gonna have my breakfast right now, and I will see you guys in a little bit, okay? Woo! Alright guys, I just made it out of the house. I'm gonna stop and get some soup, because I haven't really had much to eat today. So I'm gonna get some soup right up here.
Red pea soup, well done.
You not give me no cow skin? Where's spoon them there? Bacon spoon from.
So the jerk chicken here is spicy, well seasoned.
Come back to my
Well done.
Nice.
Nice.
Wow. Come cook it up then.
Nice.
Nice.
To them there.
Nice.
I want a good eating, tasting jerk chicken. Come right here. So one shelly bless.
Come tell them again, huh?
Yeah, you wanna want a good eating, tasting jerk chicken?
Yeah.
Come right here, so. At Two Sisters Jerk Center, okay? Shelly Bless and Michelle. Chill with us.
Alright.
Alright. See you there.
So you were throwing away money? I'm trying to see if I can get the yogurt in here, but it's only dairy yogurt. Let me show you. Dairy. So I'm gonna go to another supermarket to see if I can get the dairy-free yogurt that I'm looking for. You know, this says it's lactose free, but you know, even though I'm lactose intolerant and I still try these, it still make me itch. So I'm not even gonna try this. And I want the plain one, as a matter of fact. I really don't want it to be flavored to make my homemade yogurt. Oh, the tropical rhythm in a can now? I didn't know that. I went since tropical rhythm come in a can. Sparkling. You want to try this? I didn't know that tropical rhythm come in a can. Let me see calories on it. 90 calorie. Guys, I'm at Fontana. I'm not buying anything, but they are. So, princess treatment for them today. Okay. Okay, princesses. Dairy-free ice cream available. What if I can try that? What I buy?
Caramel ribbon crunch. Caramel what?
Ribbon crunch. Caramel ribbon crunch. You guys know that? Is that a popular flavor or something?
I don't know. I like it.
What in a crunch?
The caramel.
Oh.
Caramel and then put some.
Sha? You say Sha?
It's H-A-M.
It's Sha?
But she said it's H-A-M. I'm going to say, just for that.
Let me see, you got a pink one? Oh, matchy. What do you want the name? Princess Rock?
Princess Rock.
Oh, okay. So that's strawberry or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Morning, guys. It is Sunday. I'm just here making some breakfast. So yesterday really and truly didn't go as planned. I didn't get to do the golfing as I saw because the person who normally give me lessons, he had a lesson before me and it kind of ran over the time. So my time, he said, would have put it too close to the semifinals of the football that was playing yesterday. So I had to reschedule for a later date. I also didn't get to find the yogurt, and I went to one other supermarket than where you saw me going yesterday, and after that I didn't find it, so I just wrapped it up and then I eventually came home, and that, you know, I'll find it at a later date. So that was my day yesterday. Yeah, the spear is very dry. I don't like it. Yes, I'm just here making some breakfast. This is avocado as you saw, and this is some scrambled eggs I want to put on top of it. For my upcoming week, what I think I'm going to do in terms of my workout, I think I'm going to incorporate a lot of full body exercises this week and a lot more cardio, and just to relax on the strength training a little bit. Guys, I'm putting ketchup on my avocado toast here. I like ketchup on it, so maybe you find it weird. Yeah, so I'm gonna change up my workout a little bit this week. Incorporate, well, not set it to full body, but kind of relaxing on the strength training a little bit, incorporating more cardio, core, abs, etc., and just a little bit of reset in terms of my workout. And also for my meal prep, guys, last week was, I don't know, I think I'm gonna get back into the frame of prepping my lunch and my dinner, because you know what happened last week? I came home tired, didn't feel like making anything, and what I ended up doing was to eat my lunch that I had prepped for work. Breakfast is okay. Breakfast, you know, I usually make it in the morning, so I end up eating so by Wednesday, my meal prep that I did for lunch was finished because I ate them for dinner when I came home in the night. So I'm gonna get back into the habit of prepping my dinner. And so those 2 days that I didn't have lunch, one day that I didn't have lunch, I end up had to buy lunch at lunchtime, which, you know, is fine, give and take. But let me know, for those girls who work out, when you're experiencing burnout, let me know how or what methods how do you get over it? What do you put in place? Let me know. So I'm gonna make a cup of coffee with my breakfast here. I haven't had coffee in a while. I've been mainly having my matcha and green tea bags because it's also having caffeine. But I'm just gonna have some coffee this morning because I'm really actually in the mood. Alright, so I will catch up with you guys in a little bit, okay? So for my meal prep this week, I'm making baked chicken. I'm going to be using the oven. This is the meat that I got yesterday that I have seasoned, and I'll be steaming some sweet potato and pairing it with some string beans for vegetable. Jumping right ahead into Sunday dinner, guys. I'm making some steamed fish, oxtail, and I'll be steaming some rice and peas using cowpeas. Okay, guys. So while I take a break from the kitchen, guys, our cup just finished. Spain won. I'm not really a football fan, but you know, sometimes I'm forced, you know. But I don't know. If I was to say choose a side that I was carrying, I don't really have a side, but I liked France and I like Alan. I like the whole, you know, Viking thing and then look Viking rule. You know, I like that excitement about the Norway team, but I never really had that side, but I watch the games though. But big up to Spain for winning, and big up to Mbappe for getting the golden boot, and big up Messi too. You know, we want him get something. I don't know, that's just how I felt. But he got second place, so yeah. Anyways, guys, I need help. I need help with this ear. But I wanted you guys to help me up with something, because I was using meal for a while. It was working for me. But before it was on meal, I was using Tresemme, and then Tresemme all of a sudden was making my ear dry. Then I switched over to meal, and then it was working, and then it eventually started making my hair dry. And then I stopped using meal and I switched over to T-Gin, and for the money I paid for it, it was almost like a meal. So guys, you know me, I use nowadays the VO5, and me tell you, my hair feel softer than the meal or the T-Gin. It a workout, but anyways, for leave-in condition, I'll be using this. For girls like me who have 4C hair, can you let me know what you guys are using in terms of shampoo, condition, and leave-in? So I use this Cream of Nature leave-in, and if I'm trying to get my curls, you know, like how you see me doing a nice little twist out, I would use this smoothie here. It's also it's a Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie. It's very thick, it's thicker than a leave-in, and it normally gives me really nice curls, right? So if I was to do a twist out right now, I would use this, but it's kind of finished. It's very hard to get out here at times, so sometimes when I order on Amazon, I will get like 2 or so of the smoothie. But I'd love for you naturally your girlies to give me like a hair product list, please guys. 4C girls, in the comment section, drop a list of your products that you can recommend in the comment section, okay? Alright, but anyways, I'm about to twist my hair, right? Because you know, I've been wanting to braid my hair for about 2 years now. Guys, I know that kind of so unbelievable, but I've been really wanting to braid my hair for 2 years now. But the thing about that is that I can't bother with the sit down thing. I don't know if I'm me one, but I can't manage the sit down thing, man. It's as simple as you see my hair look. I have a lot of strand on my head, and the last time I got the hairdresser, she complained the entire time that she never knows I have so much strand. So while somebody that go and may not use as much hair as I did, because I have so much hair, it take a long time for it to get done, right? And so because of that, I don't really braid, even though I want to. I have wigs. From time to time, you see me draw on a wig. I have headband wig, not headband, glueless wig. Wig that I need to, we call it, glue on, guys. I'm not really wearing that much, so yeah. But for the most part, you will see me in my natural hair. But trust me, guys, sometimes I really need a break. But I need to figure it out. I need to get it together. I don't know what you think. So for protective style purposes, you will see me sometimes with my hair twist, or you will see me in a puff, which I really should not have because it oftentimes leave my hair break. It oftentimes break my hair, that I should say. So I really should not have my hair in puff. So sometimes you see me twist it. When I do catch it in one, you'll see me twist it at the top there, which is kind of better because at least the ends are not out. But for right now, I'm just gonna do a twist just for protective purposes. Yeah, I'm not doing it too small. I'm not really doing it too small. By the way, when I wash my hair, I did wash my hair, and I also clipped it when I washed it to take off any split ends that may be there. So my ends are right now kind of blunt, not too bad, but they're kind of blunt. But I love to know what all the natural hair girlies, what stuff can you recommend me using? Yeah, I'd appreciate it. And guys, remember that this is a Becoming Her series. I have episode 1 to 10 on my playlist on my channel. So guys, if you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. Remember that this is a Becoming Her series where we are working on, essentially just better habits, right? And I love for you to go back and watch me from episode 1, and feel free to leave a comment if it is that you have a suggestion. Go ahead and leave your respectful comments in the comment section, and if not, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. And thank you for subscribing, and to all my returning viewers, I appreciate you for connecting with me each week, joining with me each week. Remember, I got you guys. I'm trying to give meal prep ideas, and I've been going live in the morning to give you workout ideas. Remember, all I wanted for you to do in return is to go ahead and watch my videos. And for fun fact, guys, let me help you out, because I used to be on that end as you guys, as a viewer as well, when I was watching YouTube, even though I still watch YouTube to this day as well. Tip, I know we are all busy people, we have things doing. So what you can do, if you want to keep up with your girl but you may not have the time, put on the video while you're doing something. You are at work, you may be on lunch, right? Watch me during your lunchtime, right? Or if you are at your desk and you can multitask, you can pull up your phone and put it in front of you while you're listening, while you're doing your work. You can listen to me, and if I say something that you may like, you can go ahead and leave a comment as well. But that's just a tip. Or if you at home, if say for example you have an open floor plan where your kitchen, you can see the TV from where you are, go ahead and put me up on the TV, so while you're cooking in the kitchen you can watch me. We're all busy people, but I love for you guys to connect with me. And because sometimes some person will tell me, Angelica, I really like the intro that I saw you have on your previous video, but I haven't watched it as yet. So those are creative and just ways that you can incorporate to watch you and keep up with me. All right, so try that. Yeah, that's what I used to do. So guys, this is how my twist out is looking. Guys, let me tell you something. Don't underestimate that hairstyle here. Enough time of the road and police stop me and it saved me, right? And tell me I'm a teacher, I'm a member of the church, all type of something. But that hairstyle, when the police didn't stop me, and say I'm a good decency, so So big up that hairstyle, yeah. This is how my baked chicken turned out, and I'm gonna have it with some sweet potato and some string beans, which I'm gonna plate for my meal prep right now.
Yeah, in the first place. When you sleep on, you don't have any.
So this is what my Sunday dinner is looking like. I'm having a little bit of this is white rice, and this is actually cow peas, guys. This is one of the healthiest kind of peas, very healthy, much healthier than the regular peas that we would eat. I'm having some oxtail, and that's baked chicken and lettuce and cucumbers. Guys, I didn't get to cook the fish. 3 meat on a Sunday. I'm ambitious, man, but it's in the fridge. I'm gonna prepare it in the week. So guys, this is where I'm gonna close out the video for this week. Please remember to subscribe to your girl's video, and remember that this is a series. I'm gonna link all the, my Becoming Her series is actually a playlist on my channel, so you can go ahead and start from episode 1 coming all the way, because it's a progression, guys. If you're here at episode 11, you know, it's a build up. It's like watching a series. You have to start from number 1, right? So go ahead and start from number 1 and just work your way up, and you know, follow along and leave a comment, like the video, let me know what you like the vlog. If you're watching the video, guys, there's something you like about it, so go ahead and like it. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and have my dinner. I'm having a glass of water with it, and then we'll see how the night goes. But anyways, guys, have yourself a lovely week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.